Good morning, dear students. Welcome to the today's Science on Revision class. Lesson 10, Types of Chemical Reaction, page 137. Students, today we are going to discuss some important topics from this lesson, Types of Chemical Reaction. Types of chemical reaction. Based on the nature of the rearrangement of atoms, types of chemical reaction is classified into combination reaction, decomposition reaction, single displacement reaction, double displacement reaction and combustion reaction. Shall we move on to one by one? First one, combination reaction. What is combination reaction? It is a reaction in which two or more reactant combine together to form a single product. And this combination reaction, it has three classes. One is element and element react together forms a products. Compound and element react together and forms products, and compound react together forms products. Students, for all these three, you have so many examples in your term book. Please refer the term book. Next, we'll move on to the next classification, decomposition reaction. What is decomposition reaction? A reaction in which a single compound split into the two or more substances. It has three classes. Thermal decomposition, which involves heat. Second one, electrolytic decomposition, which involves electricity. Third one, photo decomposition, which involves light. Shall we move on to the third classification? Single displacement reaction. What is single displacement reaction? A reaction in which an element and a compound react together. The compound element is replaced by the reactant element. For example, when A element react with BC compound, the A is displacing the B from the BC compound and you are getting the answer AC compound and B element. This type of the reaction is called single displacement reaction. Next one, double displacement reaction. What is double displacement reaction? You know the meaning of a double. So there will be the two displacement will be there. A reaction in which if their ions are interchanged from the compounds. For example, AB compound reacts with CD compound and forms a product AD and CB. You can find here the ions are interchanged between the reactants and products. This type of the reaction is called double displacement reaction. And this double displacement reaction, it has two classes. One is precipitation, the other one is neutralization. In case of precipitation reaction, one of the product we are obtaining as a precipitate, so it is called so. In case of neutralization reaction, what is neutralization reaction? And it is also a very important 2 mark students. Please remember, when an acid reacts with base, it gives salt and water. This is called your neutralization reaction. Shall we move on to the next classification? Combustion reaction. We already learnt in our lower classes what is combustion. Combustion means burning. Now we will move on to the definition. A combustion reaction in which the reactants rapidly combines with oxygen to form one or more oxides. This type of a reaction, combustion reaction. For a combustion reaction, oxygen supply is a must. Students, so far what we saw, this types of chemical reaction, it is your very important 5 marks. So learn thoroughly with the example. Next, we will move on to the next category. One important 4 marks. Types of chemical reaction based on the direction of the reaction. Based on the direction of the reaction, types of chemical reaction is classified into 2 categories. Reversible reaction, irreversible reaction. Reversible reaction. What is reversible reaction? A reaction which can be reversed, and it can forward and backward reaction take place, and it is slow reaction. It attains equilibrium. The reactant cannot be converted completely into products. Irreversible reaction. What is irreversible reaction? A reaction which cannot be reversed and it proceeds only in forward direction. It is a fast reaction. Equilibrium is not attained. The reactants can be completely converted into products. Students, this is very important tabular column for your 4 marks as well as your 2 marks. Learn this thoroughly for reversible reaction and irreversible reaction. Next, we will move on to the next topic, rate of a reaction, which is also an important your 2 marks. What is the rate of a reaction? Rate of a reaction is defined as change in concentration of any one of the products or reactants in unit time. This is the formula for the rate of the reaction. Rate is equal to minus d A by dt. This box is called concentration box, students, and D concentration box B divided by dt. Here the positive sign indicates there is increase in concentration of the B in unit time. Here the negative sign indicates decrease in the concentration of an unit time. Students, that's all about today's session. Shall we recapitulate again what we learned through this video? First, we saw about the types of chemical reactions based on the nature of rearrangement of atoms. Next, we saw about the types of chemical reactions based on the direction of the reaction. Last, we saw about the rate of a reaction. Students, I hope you understood this video and the topic. Students, learn this lesson thoroughly and revise it and do your assignment with joy as work is worship. Thank you.